My dear brothers and sisters, in the gospel passage today we heard a very normal, usual parable. Not difficult to understand because for the hearers, the simple people, they could understand it because they were, in a way, farmers who produce land and cultivate and so on. After the parable, the disciples are, they are not too educated, they want to understand what it means. They want its interpretation, and Jesus gives interpretation. Let's not really focus on the interpretation, but what the parable itself means for us today. It tells us, do not look at the future. Look at the now. Live in the now. Do the work you are assigned to do. Do not look at the fruits. It may be true that what you do, 3/4 of it, or more than that, may be gone to deaf ears. But let something will bear fruit. As you heard parable, it's about the 1/3 of another, 1/4 of it, in a way, was able to bring good fruit. So the Lord asks us today, go on sowing the seeds. The rest, leave it to the Lord. That's what I think we all called to do here. Let's not look at the fruits, although they are required, but we are called in the world to do our bit, to put our bit so that the world becomes a better place. So let's ask God for this grace that whatever we are doing, whatever we are, let's do it as best as possible and wait for the Lord to give it a harvest.